Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make brown coconut, or we call it saur. This very famous Balinese side dish. If you have been to Bali and you try a dish called Nasi Campur, they normally have a saur in the Nasi Campur. So let's start. For this recipe, I'm going to use 2 big red chili, 5 garlics, 10 grams of galangal, 6 grams of lesser galangal, 6 grams of turmeric, 2 candle nut, 90 grams of palm sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of white peppercorn and a quarter teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 300 grams of fresh grated coconut. And also I'm going to use later 1 big red chili for the garnish. So let's make it. For the first thing, I'm going to grind the white peppercorn and cumin. And cut the chili, garlic, galangal, turmeric, lesser galangal and into small pieces and slice the candle nut. Add the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and blend it. It's ready, and now we're going to turn on the heat. Medium heat. The pan is hot enough, and we add the paste. And add the coconut. We need to keep stirring. Add the palm sugar. And salt. We need to keep stirring because to stopping get a really burn. When it's cooked, it's normally tastes sweet and you didn't taste raw ingredient anymore. It's been 10 minutes I stir it, so now I'm going to turn off the heat and try the brown coconut. It tastes sweet and you can taste the spice you put and a little bit spicy, which is perfect. And let's plate it now. Let's prepare the garnish. Here we are, Balinese brown coconut. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and see you next time. Matur suksema, bye-bye.